Dr. Ritu Kumari Pandey, Technical Officer, Entomology. So welcome to our entomology lab, CIPMC Bhubaneswar. So our main species, that is a host culture. We are maintaining different cultures. So the most important is our Corsera cephalonica, that is a host culture. You can see we are maintaining boxes, like we are maintaining boxes as in like Corsera mass multiplication has been done in our laboratory. As we know, this life cycle of this Corsera cephalonica, that is for 40 to 45 days. Okay, so we maintain it and we give different type of feed. So one of them is meat we give. So to provide a carbohydrate for the developing larva, we provide roasted groundnut to supply protein and fats. We also give the yeast tablet to regulate the growth of the Corsera adults. And we give, to kill the bacteria, we apply this streptomycin sulfate sprinkling in water. And we also give vegetable sulfur to kill the fungi, as well as Corsera egg has been, it's been sprinkled to produce a larva and adults. So this is an important host culture we are maintaining. And out of them, the various nucleus culture has also been, we are also mass multiplying. One of them is this egg larval parasitoid, that is the Chilonas blackburni. It's also used for controlling the different lepidopteran pests. Okay, so now coming to this different species of this Trichogramma, like we are mass multiplying Trichogramma chilonis, Trichogramma japonicum, as well as Trichogramma prettiosum. So you can see this is the mother card and nucleus card has been given. So this blackish color indicates this card has already been parasitized. So there are different, this is the production and release of this Trichogramma parasitoids. And this is a nematode display museum. Here we have given some samples of the infected galls of nematodes collected from different areas of Dhenkanal and Banki, that is the vegetable belts. Important is the white key disease of this paddy, and few different museum displays has also been displayed outside. We'll be following that. So next, coming to our quality parameter. So we have like collected some of the important species of Trichogramma. The quality parameter based on the body color, antenna, as well as the genitalia. So to distinguish from the species, and also we have collected different slides. We have made different slides of these three species because almost these species are same in like color or morphologically they are same. So to distinguishly detect them, we have made several slides and has been identified accordingly to the species. And also there are various, we have also made some nematode samples also. These are the few nematode samples we have collected, mounted on a permanent slides. So these are the various permanent samples, mounts of nematodes. So now coming to another important nucleus culture, moving to a predator. So this is the redweed bug. So here we have done some like some ITK. We have preserved some, I've been mass multiplied some redweeds in laboratory condition, and to check the growth, like in which condition it multiplies faster, we have just taken in three different trays. In first tray we have given maize as a substrate. In the second we have taken maize, accordingly some powdered groundnut, some growth hormone, as well as yeast to check the growth and viability. And also we have another tray we have taken in a natural condition, that is sterilized soil, and some sterilized water has been sprinkled to check the growth, as well as some dried leaves and fresh stem has been given for improving the oxidation process and regulate the growth. So we have also marked, we have seen that in normal laboratory condition the growth is not as fast than this condition. You can see the larva, out of the fresh eggs, immediately the first instar larva multiplies very faster in comparison to the lab condition and than that of the lab conditions. So you can see some displays we have discussed now. Some displays of this nematode sample has also been collected and preserved, and some chemicals like formaldehyde and copper sulfate has been permanently mounted and fixed in these jars. So these are the important diseases like the root knot disease of radish, And another typical disease we have preserved, that is the forking disease of carrot, where the galls itself in the carrot itself, the forking and complex galls used to form. And this is another white tip symptom, which is mostly which is very proliferating in these areas of this Dhenkanal Banki area. And some typical feature of this beans and other vegetables has been preserved. So another ITK. So while collecting, while doing some demonstration in the Banki area, village area, we have done some ITK, some indigenous technical knowledge for mass multiplication of Poecilomyces lineacinus. Actually, to control the galls, we have collected some Poecilomyces lineacinus, which we have done in our laboratory. That's a bioagent, and accordingly, we have taken some molasses and we have mixed it in water. And after mass multiplying, we have directly applied as an irrigation channel to control these nematodes. So the farmers have they have applied in small pots, and they have also got successful results. And this is the another small pot culture experiment. Whatever they have done in cucurbit crop, we have just maintained it in small pot culture techniques. We have induced some nematode populations in some trays, and we have also applied some Poecilomyces lineacinus solution. So we have seen while applying this Poecilomyces, this ITK, the growth is very nice in compared to obviously to nematodes. So it seems that some control has been done, and the feedback has also been collected from the different farmers of Banki area. So thank you very much.